Well, we finally got her up there. Looking pretty. Got it figured out. Thanks to my neighbor. Neighbor came over and helped me out. He's a certified electrician. So these sensors, you have to do reverse polarity on them. So in English terms, that means switch the wires around. If red goes to red, put white to red. And then, red to white. So, yep, they work now. Got her all dialed in. So this is the moment of truth for it to open. There we go. That's how loud it is. There we go. That's all the way up and then down. There you go, no light. And then press the light button on here. Turn the light off. Turn the light on. Sweet, let's go.